picture, sir.
There's some rain out there. I'm going to time it out for when it's coming here. How's that? What we've got right now is a sky that, look, there's some clouds overhead, but the temperatures were, this time of year, we're doing fine. 56 right now around Yonkers, and this is Claire Chase out there with her, looks like a Jack Russell, I think, perhaps. What I've got for you right now in New York City. A couple of clouds overhead. We have a 58-degree reading in Manhattan. Southeast winds around 6 miles per hour. High temp today was 68, 10 degrees warmer than you are right now, 3 degrees warmer than we typically reach this time of the year. Headlines looking like this. You could see some storms out there during the overnight hours into your day tomorrow. But there will be plenty of breaks. It's not like raining all day long in every place. And in fact, you could see some pops of sunshine, especially south of the city tomorrow. Could have some big temperatures, but there is a severe risk for severe weather. The place you want to focus on is this darker sort of lime green color, New York City and points south. It's a marginal risk. So marginal risk, look, it's still unlikely, but it's out there. There's a possibility for some damaging wind and some hail, but it's not a real major threat. They would bump that up from a marginal risk to moderate to, high and then intense, and we just don't see that. What we have out there right now, we see the wet weather making its push, getting close to a little northwest corner of Sullivan County. It's going to start off with some very light rain. There are some heavier bouts in there. The bigger picture will show you what we are watching. This front is going to make its way through the area, but take a look at the configuration of this front. It's pretty key to our temperatures tomorrow, because there's this ridge in the front and there's this big dip, and where this dip crosses it, now first it's going to cross through the east end of Long Island, right? But then that ridge will still not have hit the Jersey Shore. It is possible tomorrow. See some temperatures out around the east end of Long Island, upper 40s, lower 50s. At the same time, to find maybe a temperature around the Jersey Shore, 78, maybe even a little bit warmer than that. It's a possibility. I do think rain is going to be out there because before this front gets in, you will get that southwest push that you always get ahead of a front, and that's why I think some of those temperatures could be climbing tomorrow. And other folks not climbing. If the front's on top of you, the temperatures are going down. Here we are, 6 o'clock in the morning, and it could be some bouts of some heavy rain out there for some folks, but not for everybody. And again, you see some clearing starting south of the city, and then we're going to go with an on-again, off-again setup throughout the day. Plenty of breaks, like I said. Here's 3 p.m. Big temperature change. 40 in Catskill, 78 Manahawkin, 56 out around the Hamptons. Then you get to 6 p.m. and things will start to push out of the area. It still lingers a little bit. A clear Wednesday is on tap for us. So right now the rainfall amounts look to be somewhere less than an inch. Looks like a ½ an inch or so in some spots, maybe a little bit more than that. 70 degrees the high temp for Tuesday. It's an umbrella day, but on again, off again. Wednesday looks great at 64. Cold Wednesday morning, 44 in the city. Some of you outside the city will be down in the lower to mid 30s.
Oof, okay.
I know. That's a reminder.
Sure is. Thank you, Lonnie.